Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, before I get started, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel as I take a sip of water. I'm drinking water for me and you. Some of y'all are not drinking enough water. What's going on, family? Listen, real quick, y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to bring you out some more value, give you out some more options when it comes to making money. I'm the Multiple Stream King. I'm steady finding several ways to make money, and I'm also making money with these opportunities. Okay, I'm not just telling you how to do it, and I'm not out, putting in the work myself. So I want to show you all right now. You're inside my email. Okay, you all have a second chance at this, a second chance to make a quick $500, y'all. All right, so check this out. Acorns emailed me today. All right, at 3:53. All right. And if you all notice, the first time, you had to actually refer 7 friends to get $500. Okay, and they basically had to have $5. Okay, have a bank account with $5. Okay, invest the $5, and you really investing that $5 into yourself. All right, you're not even. This is really free. Okay, but check this out. You refer 5 friends. Okay, you get $500. Okay, you got until September the 16th through September 30th, and we'll invest $500 into your Acorns core account. Okay, 500 big ones. All right, remember, you also earn our $5 referral reward, and we plant an oak tree for each new friend to help the world around us grow. Okay, and so look, I'm going to show you my back office real quick to show you what I was able to do the first time around to show you all this is real. Okay, so I'm inside my Acorns account. All right, and we're going to go to the past. Okay, you see it says good afternoon, Lil Derek. All right, we're going to scroll down here. I want you to pay attention to the left hand side. Okay. So it says partner reward, transferring. These are all pending right now. Okay, this is what I've done thus far. Okay, so let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the goal was 7. Let's just work our way up. How about that? Okay, so you see the total pending $85. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 times 5 brings you $85. Okay, but the goal was only to bring in, the goal was to get 7 initially. All right, to make the $500. So I did that. The ones that see transferring are the ones I've already went through. The pendings, we're waiting on those to go through now. Okay, but once those go through, I'll be set. All right, now let me show you something. The $500 is going to pay out, okay, by October the 15th. Some of y'all are going to get this done quick. Where's my $500? Be patient and read the fine print, okay? Bonuses are paid out by October the 15th. Okay, so you got plenty of time to get in and go kick butt with this. All right, now look. Let's go back, okay? Matter of fact, so I'm going to just put it to you like this, all right? They're going to send you, once you log in, all the instructions are below this YouTube video, okay? Follow the instructions, download the app, all right? Get your link, and what you want to do is, you want to get that big link that they're going to send you, and you want to go to bit.ly, bit.ly, okay? You're going to go get your link. Here's what my link looked like. It was a big old link just like this here. I copy and paste that link, all right? And I went to create, all right? This is free. You can set up a free account, all right? Free. This is, you don't have to worry about paying for anything. You can go set up a free account because you want to shorten your link, all right? I paste that link right up in here. All right, and then I named it what I wanted to name it. So as you can see, I named mine 500 Made Easy. So it's bit.ly/500 Made Easy. And versus sending someone this long link, bit.ly 500 Made Easy. For you that are about to join right now and go ahead and get started with your $5, you're going to click on the link below, bit.ly 500 Made Easy. Go create your short link. After that, what do you want to do? Okay, I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to do to make this money. I'm about to show you right now. Okay, give me just a second. I'm on Facebook. All right, my one of my favorite platforms when it comes to, growing a business. So it's as simple as this. You go on your timeline. Just a second. Let it catch up real quick. All right, because I like to use the color backgrounds. For those of y'all who follow me, when I advertise on my personal page, what's going to get their attention better than you just putting in some plain text is put that text behind some color, okay? Something that's going to make them stop, all right? So, boom. This is perfect, okay? So who would like to make a quick 500 bucks? Question mark, question mark. All you need is $5. I like to let people know I'm serious. No games, no gimmicks. Alright. Comment 5 below for more info. All caps. Done. It's as simple as that. What are you going to do? As soon as they send you the information, listen, you can follow the description you have below my YouTube video. You can follow that same script. Replace my stuff with yours. So from every single step that you see that you're about to follow, you follow those same exact steps, okay? Follow those same exact steps. You copy and paste that, replace my bit.ly link with yours once you follow those steps, all right? Because remember, you're going to go get your link, all right, from Acorns, okay? And then you're going to go to bit.ly, that's bit.ly, all right, and then create you a short link, name it whatever you want to name it, okay? And then follow the instructions. And so anytime you refer someone, you're going to get $500 for just $5. Then they also pay you $5 on top of it. Once you refer 5 friends, that's $500 coming to you. All right, I'm already at 17. Okay, and that was for the initial one. So I'm already at like 1,000. Okay, for that first promotion. Now for to do this one, only 5 people. Man, I'm going to kill it, knock it out the park. Okay, and so hopefully have another $2,000 coming in from an opportunity, man, that I've only invested $5 with. Come on. Come on, man. Okay, so look, another way to do this, all right, is one of my favorite ways, y'all. And I'm gonna let you all have it because I know some of y'all excited already. Some of y'all probably hadn't even watched the rest of this video because you're already getting started. Kudos to you. All right, go get busy, man. Go make this money. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna show you what I love to do. Okay, and it's definitely effective. Okay. It's definitely effective. Me being online now for over 5 years making money, this is one of the most effective ways that you're going to do it. All right. And so you see what it says. All right. I went up under the video category. Okay. This is one of my most effective ways to share information. Videos. So go live. All right. Go live or just put a video together real quick. Your phone has a recorder. All right. Now in that recorder, you can stop. All right. You can delete. So if you don't like it, delete it, do it over again, all right? But you can make a quick 5-minute video, 2-3 minute video doing the same thing I'm doing, all right? Or just talking to them about it and how easy it is, put a video up and tag about 50 people, okay? Tag about 50 people, all right? Let's say only 10%, get involved. Well, there you go. There goes your 5, okay? And if only 10% get involved, then you want to go ahead and tag 100 people, right? There goes 10 people. There goes a quick $1,000. All right, we just going with by the 10% rule. Maybe more would get involved because it's only $5. Okay, it's only $5, you all. So those are the steps. All right, if you missed anything and you need to take a look at it again, take a look at the video one more time, watch it again, share this with family and friends. Say, hey, I just want to show you this video because this guy broke it down really good. I want you to take a look at this. I have a link for you. Sign up with me, or just create your own. I would rather you create your own video. Study this video, all right, and then make your own and get involved. Do it today. Don't wait. This is free money, y'all, that they are giving out. All right, just by referring, man. There are so many ways to make money online, from surveys to, different opportunities like this to real opportunities. I'm actually going to have my real opportunity below because once you all make that $500, I want you to take $34.95 and come invest with me in my real business and learn how to make some passive residual income, okay? So you can get paid over and over again by doing the job one time. But for now, get started with your Acorns account. Get it set up. Get your link and go promote it. It's really that simple. It's not hard. Okay? It's not hard. Don't allow the start to stop you. Stop being so skeptical about things, man, especially when people are showing you proof like myself. Get involved, man, and get busy. Y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video.